A huge crab came to help the Hydra, and young Iolaus ran up to help his uncle. But the heroes, though holding their own, were not getting anywhere until Hercules suddenly became inspired. He told his nephew to build a fire and set up torches. As his uncle lopped off a hydra head, Iolaus cauterized the neck with fire to close it so that no new head could grow. After cutting off the last head and searing the neck with fire, they buried the head under a rock. The marsh still breeds snakes, but they are just ordinary ones, mean but not monsters. The heroes killed the Hydra's crab ally too, and it became a constellation in the sky, part of the zodiac group that terrified Phaethon. The third labor was to capture the Arcadian deer. This deer was female, a doe, but it bore antlers of gold and had feet of bronze. Being sacred to Artemis, she wandered free all over wooded Arcady, and it took Hercules a year of hunting before he caught her. On the return trip, with the live deer strapped to his back, he ran into Artemis, who angrily asked what he was doing with her doe. Hercules answered meekly that he had no choice. It was the will of Zeus expressed through the oracle that as a penance he obey Lord Eurystheus in all things. So he made his peace with Artemis, who was not easily appeased. In the fourth labor, Hercules took on the Erymanthian boar. This beast was a menace to the whole country, people, livestock, and crops. Hercules' task was to capture the boar and take it to King Eurystheus. On his way to find the boar, Hercules had to pass through the land of the centaurs, those rather engaging creatures with a man's head and shoulders and a horse's body. They had the strength and speed of horses and the wisdom of men, but most of them were more beasts than men. There was one, however, Pholus by name, who was friendly. When Hercules arrived, Pholus invited him into his cave for a drink of punch and a good meal. The hero thanked the centaur for his hospitality and went in. Pholus served him the punch. It was delicious. Hercules had never tasted anything like it before. The aroma spread near and far, and the other centaurs came galloping up. When they discovered Hercules enjoying their special punch, they attacked him. Pholus, scared nearly to death, ran off, so Hercules had to take on these wild beasts alone. They went at him,